In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Nintendo Switch is not turning on. So if you're trying to press the power button and you're getting this black screen, or you're trying to charge your device and the charging symbol's just not showing on the screen, then there's a couple of different ways that we can fix this. So the first thing you want to try is cleaning the charging port that's located at the bottom of your device. Sometimes dust or debris can get trapped in the charging port, which can prevent the switch from charging correctly. So you can either use something like a cotton bud or a soft brush just to get down in here and to try and remove any of that dirt or buildup. And then once you've tried cleaning this, you can once again try charging up the switch to see if that fixes the issue. If that still isn't working, there's also a couple power combinations that you can actually do on the switch itself that can sometimes fix this black screen issue. So the first thing you need to try doing is just holding down the power button for around about 20 seconds. So I'm going to do this now on my device. I'm just going to hold this button down for around about 20 seconds. And then once 20 seconds have passed, we can then release the power button. And pretty much straight away, you need to then hold the power button for another 1 to 2 seconds and then release. And this is going to perform what's known as a hard reset, and sometimes just doing this alone can also turn the Nintendo Switch back on. Other combinations that you can try is holding the volume up and the volume down button at the same time along with the power button. So you want to hold all three of these keys down at the same time and just keep holding them down for 15 to 20 seconds. And then once this time's passed, you can then try powering up and also checking if that's now solved the issue. You can also try holding the power plus the volume up button on the device. Again, try holding it for 15 seconds and checking if that also solves the issue. Another combination you can try is the power button along with the home button, which is this one located here. So once again, just hold them down together and wait 15 seconds and then check to see if that also solves the issue. If you've tried all of these steps so far and nothing's working, the next thing you'll need to do is remove the joysticks on the end of the Nintendo Switch. So you can just slide both of these off like so. And sometimes what can happen is if your Switch is completely drained of all of its battery, then for some reason by having these side controllers on, it can stop it from actually powering on. So you can try removing both of these, putting the Switch on charge, and once again firing up the device to see if that now solves the issue. And if you have tried everything and it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is replacing the power cable. So if you do have a spare power cable lying around, then you can just try switching the cable out and also checking if that now solves the issue. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, at least one of them is solved the issue for you. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.